Hey guys, it's me, Jel, and for this vlog, I'm gonna show you 5 accessories that I think is a must or you might want to consider if you have a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or if you are planning to buy one. So we've been using the DJI Pocket 3 guys for more than a year for our vlogs and we really love this camera. And these accessories will be very useful for your Pocket 3. So let's start. The first accessory that I got, guys, was actually this DJI Mic 2. So the Pocket 3 Creator Combo comes with this one, guys. But I wasn't able to buy the Creator Combo because it was sold out before. The mic is helpful, guys, when we are vlogging in crowded places para marinig talaga yung voice natin sa ating vlog. So this one, guys, I bought before for around 5 to 6K. So, ngayon meron ng Mic Mini, meron ng Mic Mini 2. So, depende na lang yun sa inyo. But the good thing about this DJI Mic 2, guys, is you can record your voice alone or you can record an audio alone without connecting it to the Pocket 3. Para din siyang recorder, guys. Yun yung pinagkaiba niya sa Mic Mini and Mic Mini 2. Comes with this one, yung parang gaano sa wind. Okay, moving on to number 2. The second accessory, guys, is this magnetic mount. I got this one from Sunny Life. I bought it from the Orange app, guys, for around 400 pesos. So, this one, guys, is a magnetic mount. Lalagay mo lang to any metal surface. Yung dito, sa part na to. Ito kasi yung magmamagnet, guys. And it allows us to capture videos hands-free. Especially pag nagsa-travel tayo, guys, and we want to capture videos of ourselves. Napaka-useful niya talaga. Make sure lang din, guys, you stick this one to a metal na flat surface din. Para secured talaga siya. And also, guys, you can take different angles. Okay. Okay, yan. Tatanggal kasi yan siya. So, for example, gusto natin kumuha ng shot na parang nakaganito or yan, nakaganyan. So, pwedeng-pwede. Sobrang strong din, guys, ng magnet na to. So, hindi ka kakabahan na baka malaglag yung Pocket 3 mo. So, it's really a game changer, guys, than not having the magnetic mount. Sobrang useful nito, guys. The third one, guys, is this, okay, non-slip base. Ito. Ano lang siya, guys, parang silicone lang yata to. And then, you can place it here. Yan. Yan lang siya. So, yan. Nag-stand na yung Osmo Pocket 3 natin. So, pag kukuha tayo ng mga shots or lalagay lang natin sa table, napaka-useful niya. I had a tripod before this, guys. Kaya lang yung tripod kasi medyo malaki siya. Hindi siya yung maliit. So, minsan parang nalalakihan talaga ako. Kaya naghanap ako ng maliit lang talaga na parang pang base lang ng Pocket 3. And I found this one. But I was eyeing also the one from Ulanzi, yung maliit lang. Papakita ko yung picture. Ito, guys, I'm eyeing to buy that one. Kasi parang ang cute niya. And ang liit-liit din niya. So, the fourth one, guys, is this one. Kakabili ko lang nito. And I was really happy about this. Okay. So, this case is from QRC. This one. Guys, this is really perfect pag meron tayong magnetic mount sa Pocket 3 natin. Kasi with the regular case, yung kasama ng Pocket 3 talaga pagbili natin, ito siya. Hindi na kasi to kasya. Yan. Kasi yung sa side, hindi na yan siya papapasok. So, hindi na natin to magagamit pag gusto natin na yung magnetic mount, andito lang talaga sa Pocket 3. That's why, before, guys, yung gamit ko is ito from Sunny Life. So, ganito lang siya. Yan. Okay siya. Pero, itong part kasi na to, guys, this is the switch button and then this one is the joystick. Hindi kasi siya protected. So, mas maganda yung protected din siya para baka kasi ma-press ito while nasa bag natin at mag-on yung Pocket 3 and baka masira pa. So with the one from this brand, may protection kasi siya guys dito. Abot kasi siya dito. So, tingnan nyo. Yan. Yan. So, protected din yung switch tsaka yung joystick. Hindi tayo kakabahan. And a good thing pa with this one guys is it has this one for the filters. So, dalawa yan siya guys. Magnetic din yan siya. So, yung fifth accessory kasi natin guys are the filters or the ND filters. I think guys, pag sa creator combo, yung kasama, the wide angle. Pero, yun nga, hindi creator combo yung nabili natin guys. Pero, hindi ako bumili ng wide angle filter guys. Yung binili ko guys are the ND filters. ND filters guys stands for neutral density filters. So, I got this one, guys, from the brand JJC. Ito siya, guys. And then, meron siyang 4 na filters. Dalawang ND filters, guys. Isang polarizing filter at saka isang black mist. Ito yung gamit na gamit talaga, guys. So, yung ND filters kasi, guys, para siyang sunglasses sa ating camera. Pag kasi nagva-vlog tayo or nagvi-video tayo guys sa isang sunny na place or for example outdoor and it's too bright, yung nangyayari guys with our footage is it's overexposed or napaka-bright. So with this one guys, na control niya kasi yung light. Teka, papakita ko sa inyo. Yung nabili ko guys are the variable filters. Meaning guys, meron kasi siyang numbers. So, the greater the number, the darker the tint guys. So, yung sa iba kasi, yung ganitong mga filter, isa-isa kasi siya. So, dito parang 5-in-1 na siya. So, pag gaganyan natin guys, magro-rotate yan siya from light to dark. So, for example, yung number 1, ito yung pinaka-light na tint pa. And the darkest one here is number 5. Ito din sa isa, from 6 to 10 din guys. Ganon din siya from lightest to darkest. I've been using these filters guys sa mga travel vlogs namin and yung nagagamit ko so far is number 4 or the number 5. And I think sobrang gamit na gamit ito guys when you are shooting outdoor videos. Napaka-helpful niya kasi makikita mo talaga yung difference ng footage mo with the ND filter on and without the ND filter. Alright. And yun yung struggle ko kasi guys, kasi nung nakaraan, malapit ko tong mawala. Kasi from outdoor, pumasok kami indoor, and kailangan ko siyang tanggalin. So, yun nangyari, na pasok ko yata siya sa bulsa ko, and muntik nang mahulog. But with this case on, guys, since, ito, yan. Tapos, magnetic kasi siya, guys, ha. Just place it. And then, pwede natin ilagay na din. Yeah. So, our filters are here. Secured yung Pocket 3 din natin. So guys, sulit pa din ba yung Pocket 3 kahit na going 2026 na tayo? For me guys, sulit na sulit pa rin siya. Kasi ang ganda pa din ng quality ng camera na to compared to Action 5 Pro, nung ibang mga cameras din. Ginawa talaga kasi to siya for vlogging. So, yung quality talaga ng video guys, sobrang ganda talaga niya. Medyo sensitive lang siya. Medyo yun, iingatan mo talaga, especially this part, this gimbal part. But I think sobrang sulit pa rin ng Pocket 3 kahit na 2025 going 2026 na tayo. So guys, sa mga nagbabalak na bumili ng Pocket 3, make sure guys you consider these accessories. Again guys, this is Jel. Thank you so much for watching our vlog and I hope na nakatulong itong vlog na to guys if you're considering Pocket 3, Osmo Pocket 3. Yun lang guys. Bye-bye. From me and MM. Si MM guys tulog na. Bye!